Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So, in this video, I'm going to explain my cash market trade which I took recently. The stock name is Diamines, and I invested around 18 lakhs in this trade and I made a profit of 12%, and the profit would be 2 lakh 37,000. So, let me just explain you in detail about where I entered, where I put my stop loss and my target. Before that, please make sure to like this video, comment if you have any doubts, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Hello guys, so I have Diamond's chart in daily time frame, sorry not daily, a weekly time frame chart. Let me just switch this into a daily time frame and you would notice that this is the pattern. And if you ask me where I found this chart, when exactly, this is this huge green candle, right? So I found this stock very late. I did not find it near the trend line or even this one. I found it only after this area. So why did I enter even after this huge big candle? It's because of the very reason. This huge big red candle, right? This cannot go, it's very hard for the sellers to go below this price, correct? And it has also come out of a very good pattern, right? With a good volume. So you can see here that in this pattern, one two three rejections, and at the bottom you would find two supports, and also you can draw the pattern like this. And uh, the best entry would have been right after this candle. This candle would have been the perfect entry, but unfortunately I did not come across this stock around this area. This would have been a very good trade. Let's see here. This would have been my entry and my stop loss, and this would have been my exit, but I had to enter here. Okay, 412 is my average price, and I put a minimal stop loss, something like this. I was not willing to risk more than 5%, so I exited around 465. So the risk reward is around 1 is to 2 5. But the thing is, the mistake that I made here is that I found the stock very late. That is the mistake, and I did not want to hold it for so long. Although it has retraced nicely and it has gone up again, but I'm not interested. 12% is more than enough. I'll just keep compounding my profits. 12 to 20%, more than enough for this kind of market. So, and since I'm being very late, it is also better to lock the profits soon. So if I was entering here somewhere in this three candles, I can afford to hold the stock for a little more time, right? So yeah, I did post this chart in my community, and if you did make money out of it, if you are willing to join, you are free to join the JFT membership. You will find all the details in our website. Okay, so Daya means, if you ask me if you can enter again, let's do an analysis. So if you look at this price point, this is where the resistance has been previously. So I would not take a fresh entry. I'm not a fundamental analyst, so I have no idea how long it can go up. I mean, how long the rally can continue. So as far as I know, I would not enter right now. Okay, so I need some kind of a pattern. Let's say something like this is happening. It is diamine is consolidating and it is breaking out, then probably I will enter. Because if I blindly enter without any setup here, where would you put your stop loss? The least the most ideal stop loss that you can keep is this one, right? If you want to enter, you can keep your stop loss here and the target above this, if you're ready for that. Okay, and it is also forming like a cup. I'm a guy who doesn't follow cup and handle or any of head and shoulder. I don't follow any of those patterns. I only stick to it, triangle and channel and trend line. So this is how I made crores of money, and I will continue to do so. So that would be all for this video, guys. So if you like this video and if you learned something from this video, please like this video, and also comment if you have any doubts, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you so much.